Makomicona Francis Waderi na Justus Nyang'aya marũgamĩrĩirwo cikaro-inĩ cia kamĩtĩ ya watho nĩ mawakiri yao hĩndĩ ya cikaro iria mekwagĩrĩirwo nĩ kũneana macokio mao ma thitango iria imagũmĩire.
Two issues that I would wish to raise before the committee. Commissioner
Waderi kũgerera wakiri wake Ndũrũ Gĩcamba eyeheretie cikaro-inĩ ici kumana na itũmi itiganĩte iria ugĩte iramuma mweke wa gwĩtetera ũrĩa angĩenda.
So you have to respond to what is placed before you, and as we have said, what is before us are the 4 petitions in the form they are in.
We still feel that in the absence of provision of the material that we have sought, would be unable to commit ourselves to the hearing of today. And if, again, it comes to bear that the committee would not be in a position to help us acquire the documentation that we want, then would be constrained to say that we would not be able to proceed henceforth before the committee.
Justus Nyang'aya arũmĩrĩire mũtaratara ota ũcio wa kuga atangĩheo mweke wa kuongerera ũira ũrĩa arenda egũkorwo aimĩtwo kĩhoto gĩake.
It is not possible to proceed, and as I had indicated before, we came pursuant to a clear indication from the clerk that will be given guidance. And that guidance is what we needed before we can proceed. And the guidance has just been given. So it is not possible to proceed.
Juliana Cherera ũrĩa umagĩa na gĩikaro na kamĩtĩ ĩno atũmĩte marũa ma kũria ongererwo mahinda ma gũcokanĩrĩria macokio make.
If they have any response, if they have anything else to say, it is now closed, save for the opening and option which is available of written response, written submissions, which can be filed with us anytime before the close of business today or anytime to be received before the final decision is made.
Arĩa matwarĩte thitango ũndũ ũmwe na memba kamĩtĩ ĩno nĩ morotete athitangwo arĩa maugĩte marĩ na mũbango wa gwĩkĩra mĩhĩnga wĩra-inĩ wa kamĩtĩ ĩno.
If they respected this committee, they ought just to have said, out of what we know, this is the position we are at. We could have responded more on this had we been provided with this extra information.
I'm wondering if the commissioner doesn't see or doesn't think that they are putting too much emphasis on technicalities and procedural matters rather than the content of the petition. And if I were to ask the commissioner to clarify, don't they think the petitioners have a constitutional right to petition?
I request this committee to expedite these petitions as they hold serious national weight and could actually offend the fragility of this nation.
Rĩu kamĩtĩ ĩno ĩrĩ na ihinda rĩa thikũ 3 rĩa kwandĩka riboti na kũmĩtemania bunge-inĩ. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.